Hi there. So we just got home. It's around 4:30ish. You can see all the snow's gone. There is a good 8 to 10 inches, 6 to 10 inches, somewhere in there. It's pretty much all gone, and we've got lots of water. There. So as you can see, we've got a lake in the backwoods, going all the way over there into the forest. And that's what's going on. We had some water very evident in our basement, but it's all gone down, so that's a good sign. You can see the water's trying to freeze up because it's just under 30. And goes back here. Here's the fence, so you can see where the water is on this side. That's it. I don't hear your sump pump going, so that is probably a sign that if you had water in your basement, it's done. So the green light's on, that's good. The alarm's not beeping, that's good. Don't hear the water going. Can you see down in here? I can't see nothing. Yeah, I can't really tell what's going on down in that basement. I don't know. I can't tell if there's water down there or not. I'm assuming that there's no water down there.